Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video here. As you can see, I'm going to be unboxing the Chanel gift sets from 2021 from the holidays. I scored one here. They all got sold out real quick. This is going to be the Lip Gloss Trio, Sheer Sensation Lip Gloss Trio set. I don't know if you have seen them all over YouTube or Instagram, but it comes with a little nice like cute makeup bag that you can turn it into like a body cross bag. So I'm gonna show you that too, because it's pretty much you're getting like a Chanel bag for like just under $100 pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, and yeah, let's go ahead getting started. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free and it'll totally help. So I score mine at Nordstrom.com. Pretty much I was checking every day in the Chanel website, and randomly when I was following a YouTube page, and she posted that I was on Nordstrom, so I went to go ahead and pick this up. But yes, look, the packaging looks like this. Comes with 3 full-size lip products, lip glosses, and yeah, the packaging is really stinking cute. Like, come on, super cute. It comes with 3 lip glosses. They come with the Rouge Cocoa Gloss Moisturizing Gloss Mirror. So it comes with 3 of them, like I said, 100, number 119, 712, and 722. So these are the names. I'm not gonna pronounce them properly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that right there. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, look at that bag. Oh, looking so cute. Comes with a gold zipper. Looks like this. Really, really nice texture, as you can see. And it comes with the golden Chanel letters. Really, really nice. Comes with Chanel thing, and then it comes with these little end things that you can pretty much put like a chain and then use it as a crossbody bag. So at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, because I also ordered like a chain from Amazon, and it already came, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. But looks like, let's go ahead and open it up. The 3 lip products here. These are the 3 lip products. Let's go ahead and open these up. Let's go ahead and open all of them first. Look at these gorgeous colors. Not much fan of lip glosses. I'm trying my best to use them. I have like a few lip glosses, so it's a perfect little kit to try out. Of course, the packaging is gorgeous from Chanel. Has the 3 CC logos there, the golden thing, and these right here are the colors. Oh, it comes with a gold, more of a neutral tone. So let's go ahead and swatch these babies. So the first one I'm going to swatch is this one, 712. Looks like this. Doesn't give you the name, but 712, it says right here, it's going to be the melted honey. Dope for applicator looks like this. And let's go ahead and swatch. So it's a really nice like sheer gold, more translucent, but it does give you a tint of gold sparkles in there, and they're really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you up more close here on the light. As you can see, it's more of a really sparkle translucent color. It has a lot of just a gold shimmer sparkle to it, but it's just really nice. So that's that color right there. Let's go ahead and do this one next. This one is 722. It says Nose Moscata. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a really nice mauve color. So go ahead and open that up. Same thing. And that's nice. Really, really nice. They don't feel sticky at all either. And to show you more closely, has a really nice tint to it. So not too pigmented, but nice natural color to it. Does have a little bit of sparkles in there too. And the last color right here is going to be 119. The name right here is this one. Let's see if I can print Bergerie. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it's 119. It's more of a darker mauve color. Has a lot of sparkle too. Oh, so that's a little bit more pigmented for sure. Look at that. Really, really nice color right there. Showing you more up close for the third one. Really, really nice color right there. Really, really pigmented compared to the other two, but not super pigmented. It still looks natural and also has a little bit of shine, shimmer, sparkle to it. So that's pretty much what it came with in this little bag here. Let me go ahead and show you what's like the Chanel bag that you can totally use as a crossbody. Looks like this. It's black inside. It does have the tag here. Really, really nice. Just really nice. You can use it. You can put your cell phone in here, your wallet, some few products, and it's still nice. It's like it gives. I like small bags, so. And it comes with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the chain that I got as well for it. This chain, I got it from Amazon. There were so many. So they look like this. So I got the red one just to match it. It looks similar to those chains from Chanel. So looks like this. So yeah, so it looks like that. Really, really long actually. So it's a really nice crossbody bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here real quick and I'll show you. Okay, so it will look like this. It did take me a little bit of time because the little holes here are like sewed in. So I needed to go gently with little pair of scissors and go in and cut the little whatever it's inside so I can like put it in. Other videos that I seen, they didn't have it closed, so maybe I got a bag that was closed, but like I said, I went to Little Scissors and cut it in for both sides. So pretty much it will look like this, and with the chain, and it's really, really nice chain because the chain goes perfect with the color of the bag with the gold interior or the gold exterior of the chains with the gold of this. So it looks perfect. Cute small bag. Like I said, it pretty much fits a lot of things in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks like full. Looks like this pretty much. So it's long chain, really, really nice long chain, and across your body and or just on over the shoulder. It's really, really nice too. You can just double it up, but pretty much looks long like this. So really, really, really nice. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Usually they also had a black color. They had different types of sets. They had like a few with red sets and then a few with the black bag sets. But like I said, they sold out really quickly. They do usually put them out like 2 months before, like around like November, I want to say. So check out that coming year. I think usually they do it each year with different type of things, but they usually have bags. So hopefully by the end of this year, hopefully it will get like a black one, just because I already have the red, or they have different colors. Of course I'm gonna get them, but if you see it in Nordstrom, check out Nordstrom because they usually pop out also. So yeah, just check that out in Chanel or Nordstrom Rack. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.